months of sun, tanning, good life, good food. And we're here in Canada now, Vancouver to be exactly. And we are living in a van. I wanted to post before, but our computer broke. Then we got a new computer, and then our footage got deleted and everything. So now basically this is it. This is our little home on wheels. First things first. Where should I start? The kitchen. This is a kitchen. I love a sink. I got it from Pinterest. I mean, the idea from Pinterest. We have a nice little faucet that goes all the way out, so you can take a shower. And basically, underneath we have our water system, gray water and fresh water and all that stuff.
Show how the water works. Gotta hit the switch.
Flip the switch. And then that's how we do dishes.
And we got two 26-gallon just gasoline jerry cans. One is for fresh.
26 liters.
Oh yeah, 26-liter jerry cans. One's for fresh water, one's for gray water, and that's all we have in there. And this cheap pump. Tell them about the pump.
Oh yeah, the pump we got at some random RV store in where was it? I don't know, Abbotsford or something.
Yeah.
I have no idea. And it was literally 30 bucks, Canadian dollar. So it's like 20 euros. I don't know in USD, but super cheap. Way cheaper than like what usually most people advise for the SureFlow and Seaflow, whatever. It's all like over 100 bucks. But this is super cheap and it works. So we're happy. And here, my favorite. I have like three favorite things here. First, the mirror. I can take selfies. Very important, you know. Do my hair in the morning, take selfies, very important. Then, second, my favorite thing is, wow, that's a little stuck today, is my toilet.
I was not expecting that. I wasn't expecting that to be your favorite thing.
What? I use it like, everyone always says in these videos that they don't use it only for emergencies, but I use it to pee in all day.
All day.
What I do? And here is basically our kitchen setup. We have a little stove that we use. Like this, a one-burner stove for like the fast meals. I'm kind of experimenting with. That was loud. I've been experimenting with one-pot meals and stuff, and we have a double Coleman stove in the back for when we're gonna stay somewhere longer. And this.
It's our sweet fridge setup. Oh yeah. Cool.
So basically, this is kind of our cooler. Has some veggies, some fruits. Yeah, it's an ice cooler, but we actually don't put ice in it.
Why don't we put ice in it?
Because the ice gets wet and that gets dirty, and it's cold in Canada, so we don't even need a fridge. Oh yeah, my favorite. I guess another favorite thing. NutriBullet, because smoothies are life. And yeah, that is basically our kitchen.
Tell them about the solar system.
Solar system is a joke, but it works. We got this really cool battery booster power box thing for like 180 bucks Canadian dollars. Super cheap. And it basically works just as good as the Yeti 400 or something. Or which one was it?
It's better. It works better than the Yeti 400 because it's 600 watt inverter.
Yeah, so basically this one has a 600 watt inverter, so the NutriBullet runs on it, which is great. And it has a little charge controller going from, like, we have a 100 watt solar panel up top. And so far it's been powering everything, our laptops, phones. Yeah, that's basically all we use actually, but it works. Then here, a little spice rack. We have baskets instead of cabinets because it's way easier and way cheaper, and we're lazy. So basically, I'll show you one. So how they all work. Just grab it out, grab whatever you need. This one's a little empty. And put it back in. And we have that here, so we have like our dry food, some random, I don't know, teas and stuff, spices. Here we have all our Tupperware and there's clothes, my clothes, on those two, Lily's clothes. It's toiletries, and here we have all our plates and stuff. And then here underneath we have our storage. So let me show you. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, shoes. Basically just a lot of shoes in here. My heels and boots and stuff, and this is a gym bag and our random junk drawer that we have in like some packet cube. And here, see this one, basically our electronics, our backpack, dirty laundry, which is very full because we need to do laundry. And yeah, and this is the table, which also turns into bed. Really cool. Let me show you the garage, which I didn't even know they called the garage before we started watching van life videos. But yeah, this is basically where we store all the stuff that we don't use that often. I mean, this is our gym, which is really cool. Our suspension system, some random foam roller, gym shoes, Will's tool basket, since we've been doing this build while we're still living in it for the last 2-3 weeks, I think. So we've been living in here and then had to take everything out and then build it. So yeah, that was a lot of stuff. So one of my favorite things, and I'm really happy that William insisted to make this, is the bed. Because now we can both fit here comfortably and cuddle, even watch a show if we want to. And just basically look at the view, watch people on the outside. We've been part of the beach lately, really nice. And yeah, we just have some drink here. It's perfect. It's kind of like the couch that we wouldn't have had otherwise. So it's really nice. Oh, and this thing, which I really love. We just put it up today, so we don't have pictures in it yet, but it's really pretty. And I just wanted to show it real quick. Oh yeah, should I mention that? Can I talk about this thing?
Sure.
Well, we went to Home Depot and bought these ropes, and I started to laugh a little hard, and I didn't really know why. But then the ladies at the register said they thought it was gonna be dirty things, and that William had to treat me right. But yeah, it's not dirty at all. It's just to keep our shelves up in case they fall down, because they're a little sketchy. But it works.
They're not sketchy.
They're a little sketchy.
I built them.
Okay, they're very secure.
Yes.
This is just decoration, basically. Okay, so now William is going to show you how we turn it. How he turns it into a bed, and then he's going to show you how we make the gym, which is my absolute favorite part of this build. Okay, so the favorite thing. I have so many favorite things. I can't help it. William does such a good job. But anyways, one of my favorite things is like the bedroom area is when we look up, we have a skylight. And because we want to be as stealthy as possible, we don't actually have any windows. So when we're parked in the middle of the city, we have everything closed. But then the skylight gives us some natural light and makes it feel very cozy up here. Working out is very important, and here I have my own little home gym, which I'm very happy about. So I'll show you. Because basically you have this pull-up bar set up that's supported in the back, but also just supported by these things, and it's really nice because I can just swing and I can do like my exercises, pull-ups, and work out. Woo. And also, we got this TRX knockoff thingy, which is also really nice. Kind of allows you to work out with your body weight, so it's nice if you're not too strong yet. And I use the back of the van actually for a lot of like step-up stuff, and pistol squats and all that basically goes on here, which is really nice. And yeah, this is basically, I guess, the coolest thing about this build, because I just love working out, and I love being able to work out wherever we go. So now whether we're at a campground or just standing here randomly in the park, we can just work out and get our fitness in. And that is pretty awesome. So this is the end of our van tour. From now on we'll be posting a lot of van life videos So we're gonna be traveling here in BC for a while until probably end of August, and then we plan on heading to Mexico, Panama, and just chase the sun. See you guys later.